Thank you, Alex. So, one of my new favorite features that I got super giddy about is dashboards as views. No more searching through the dashboard hub to see if a dashboard even exists, where it is. Is it just named dashboard because nobody renamed it? Um, Another trick sometimes is the dashboards are private by default. So, if you don't share it, somebody may not know it's there. So, if you create it in a view, it's public automatically. Everyone has access to it. It's right where you need it. So less clicking, more data, more efficiency. So to create a new dashboard as a view, I think I already went through that in the screen share, but you would click on new view. You would select dashboard and it's right there with the list, the board, the workload, all of that. So you would click new view and you can select from one of ClickUp starter dashboards or a custom one. And your dashboard pops up pre-populated if you pick a template with all of the data directly in that list. You can also create one at a folder or a space level. So there's complete flexibility there. One of the kind of hidden, I shouldn't say hidden, but kind of nested features that I love that I'm showing now is formula calculations. This I got beyond giddy for. It was kind of pathetic. But in the past, we could calculate a formula just across the task. So in my example that I showed here, we're building houses. So our formula was their budget minus our cost was our delta. So are we over or under budget? But now, like on a column on a spreadsheet, we can calculate that formula across all of our projects. So now we could see, are we over or under budget aggregated? And as a bonus, we can now put that as a card, which you're seeing now. So you can click add a custom calculation card. So we'll see here in a second that you can have a total aggregate over or under budget at 14,000 across all of our projects and all of our houses that we're building. And our average over or under budget per completed project is, I think it said 4,800. Yep. So you can have a dashboard directly in your project and formula some aggregate calculations, which just gets me excited.